Hi, my name is Fatma.
My name is Stephanie Chan.
My name is Joshua Eddins. Spark at Google is a really great program if you're just starting off into the corporate world or figuring out exactly what you want to do or what you want to be in life. By joining Spark at Google, you'll work on the Google Customer Solutions Team, or GCS, which helps many types of businesses grow with Google Ads. If you're interested in starting your career in tech, I can't think of a better first step than the Spark at Google program.
One thing that I really appreciated about the GCS org and what it offered me was they teach you the basics of Google Ads. Now, whilst you do this, you're in a cohort of people all across the world geographically, and you're learning together. And they really do it in a way that's both engaging and fun, and you enjoy learning about Google Ads as a whole.
I've been at Google for about 5 years now. I've been on 2 different teams. It's been really amazing to be able to grow, and not only grow through the work that I do, but through so many mentors who are happy to support me through my career trajectory and journey.
I think Google really champions inclusivity by the creation, the organization of so many of our employee resource groups that are specifically created to celebrate the various cultures and people that exist within the GCS and Google organization as a whole.
As a Black female in tech, there's a lot of things that maybe my cohort or my team may not understand what I'm going through or how I'm experiencing things. And so I became a member of the Black Googlers Network. It was so great to have a built-in community that was able to coach me and talk to me about their experiences and help guide me through Google.
A couple months ago, I was actually working with an online e-commerce retailer, and they were still trying to decide if investing in a full-time marketing role would be worth it for their company because they were smaller. So after a couple months, we actually succeeded in having their strongest Q4 yet, and they let me know that they had made the decision to bring on a full-time CMO. These are the success stories that I call my mom and tell her about after work.
What really drew me to GCS is the opportunity to actually work with hundreds of different businesses and to really help them grow and succeed. The Spark at Google program is more than just a job. It's a chance to serve businesses and communities in a way that really matters.